enough of this palaver. Let's get the show on the road.
There we go. This is Beamer & Son Garage today.
There's my dog Sparky. He ain't doing so well today. So we got a new truck today from the scrap yard. Picked it up pretty cheap, only $500. Didn't come with a title or any keys or anything like that. It's not a bad looking truck. It's got a little bit of cancer. You can see right there, it's got a little bit of cancer, but yeah, that'll buff right out. Okay, so this is real easy, guys. You take the hot wire and connect it to the battery, and you take the other wire and connect it to the switch and then to the starter. If it's hard to get on the starter, you can use one of these here alligator clips, a toggle switch. Secure that one here, get you some of this here flex tape. Give you guys a close-up. Super easy, guys. Now, I know those haters out there, they're going to talk about I can't use toggle switches. I don't care. They're just jealous of my truck and that I'm able to do wiring. Start her up and see if she works.
Oh no, come on, man. No.
What are you doing down the hat? What are you doing down the hat? What are you doing down the hat? What are you doing in my hat, man?